Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see from the title, I am going to be trying out BH Cosmetics' new Weekend Festival palette. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this palette for more than a week, so let's get into it. Use this palette to create this look. Overall, this palette is definitely worth the money. I'll go ahead and put that out there. I think that is a great deal for this palette. I'll go ahead and do a couple of swatches for you. Here's the inside of the palette. Like, I've used the green color on my lid and you'll see that, so I won't swatch that one, but this yellow color is gorgeous. This blue is pretty as well, and these colors are very creamy, guys, like buttery and soft. And I'll do a matte for you. This pink is probably, oh no, it's super bright. I know these are terrible swatches, but you get the gist. This iridescent looking purple is also gorgeous. Oh, and actually it's not iridescent. It looked like it would be, but it's not. Okay, enough of my terrible swatches. Like I said, I definitely gonna go ahead and put that out there that I would recommend this palette to you guys. It's perfect for festival season. You may or may not need a companion palette. It definitely depends on what type of looks you like to do. There are no darker matte colors like blues, greens that are just matte. They only have a dark brown in here that's like, well, I guess it's a purple in here that's kind of dark, but when swatched, it's not dark. Like, you know, it wouldn't be for me like a smoked eye color that I would put on that outer corner. So yeah, it depends on what type of eye looks you go for, if you would need a companion palette or not. It definitely comes with a huge mirror. So let's get right into how I use this palette to get this eye. So I already have full face on, of course, and then I've already did this eye just for time purposes. And as you can see, the glitter is a little bit messy, to say the least. I used the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner, which may be why it didn't work that well, because it says body liner. Yeah, it definitely has a picture of a girl putting it like right here. So I thought this was for eyes, and needless to say, it's not. So that's probably why it came out looking all crazy. But you know, the show must continue, and I'm gonna do the other eye just so that it looks even. So I don't recommend you use this on your eyes because it's obviously for your body, but you know, I'm just gonna thug it today because I already started, so why not? I'm going in with the color Hippie above and in my crease, so let's do that. And then I'm also taking the color Escape and putting it in those same areas. Okay, next I'm going to take my e.l.f. crease brush and go into the color Palooza. And I'm just going to put that right in the crease. I'm going to take that same blue and bring it down underneath the eye. I'm going to use my e.l.f. crease brush for that. Just working it down that edge. Now I'm going to take one of these old little Amazon brushes that I got a while back, in my LA Girl concealer, and I'm just gonna try to cut this crease a little bit. So I've cut the crease so that that green can pop through a little bit. And now I'm going in with that same e.l.f. crease brush, and I'm just gonna use whatever I have left on it to kind of fill out this harsh line right here. Blend it, blend it. Put a little bit on the brush and just go. Now I'm gonna use a brush to go into the color Neon, which is beautiful. And you can use your fingers, it probably will work better, but I don't want to get my fingers messy right now, so I'm just going to use the brush. Ooh, so pretty. See, this is how it looked before I put that daggone glitter there. That just like what are we doing, NYX? Why? And like, let me show y'all. This thing is so tiny. Who is putting this on their body? It'll take you all year. You couldn't tell me this was not for your eye. Like, come on. I'm gonna go into those same two colors that I used to transition with, which was Hippie and Escape. And I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly. And I'm taking it below where I put the blue. So I'm just gonna go under here. All right, in the crease, I'm going to use the color Spirit, which I thought was white, like a glittery white, but it was actually like a baby blue color, which is pretty. I just didn't expect it, so. So next I'm going to use the other end of this Anastasia brush, which is more like a shader side, and use, go back into Palooza, which was that blue color, and hit that corner one more time. Next, I'm gonna go into the color Wicked, and I'm gonna put that towards the front of the inner eye at the bottom. Next, I'm taking this white eyeliner, which I got from Sephora. It's just the Sephora brand in Nano, and it's almost done, really. And I'm gonna just line my waterline with this. Next, I'm taking my Ulta gel eyeliner, which I do not recommend, by the way. And I'm going to take my MAC 266 brush, and I'm just going to create like a baby wing over here. And I am going to apply a lash. Okay, now I'm gonna take my Better Than Sex mascara and just blend my eyelashes with the falsies. And then I'm going to use my Riri times MAC, Riri Loves MAC mascara. I'm just putting that on my bottom lash. So last, I'm going to use that NYX glitter that is not supposed to be for your eye. And guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to put it on my eyes. Because I already started, so I'm committed at this point. I'm going to let that dry. Let me see if I can use this. Alright guys, I'm done and I've completed this look with the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. If you like this video, remember to click the thumbs up button. And if you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel. And I will see you, as always, next video.